circle, and then down. Very good.
Very good.
Another one here.
Another one.
From
One
here to
more.
here. Oh, again, from here.
Start here.
Start here. Sleeping line. Circle. Then down. Very good.
Very good.
Oh,
Another one.
from
Last.
here,
Last one.
Make it big one. Oh, okay.
Last one. Then you
Last
can eat your
one.
chicken.
From here to here. Very good. One more. Very good. Sleeping line and then circle, small circle. Then sleeping line. Down. Very good. Okay.
Okay, very good. Finish.
Oh, get your crayon. Oh, this one. The baby one.
Circle.
Circle. Very good. Okay, color the objects that begin with letter A.
Paper, 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 paper.
Ay, don't do like that. Oh, get the color that
Ate Pia will help you.
Okay, what's this? Okay, color apple red. Very good. Do it properly. Okay, the apple start with letter A. What's this? Oh, that's enough.
That's
This
enough.
one, what's this? What do you call this object? A star. No.
Ano?
You are going to color only the object that begins with A. Oh, this one
A.
is? This one.
Apple. A sounds A. Apple. A sounds A. Star. Does it sound like A? Yes or no? No!
Does it start with letter A?
A.
Eh, kung sabihan kanya, I star! Oh,
This one is axe. Does it sound like letter A? Axe.
Oh, you color it brown. Okay, come